Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used 2020 edition Audi A3 Sportback S-Line S-tronic, complemented in a Daytona grey paintwork. Delivering at 204 PS, it is an ideal eco-friendly upgrade, housing your petrol plug-in hybrid engine and efficient automatic transmission, with an easily accessible charging hatch containing your AC charging capabilities. Top features also include your Audi LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, and the protection of your parking sensors and power folding wing mirrors. The boot does house enough space for all of your charging cables and daily essentials, followed in the rear by full luxury with a leather upholstery with access to your pull-down armrest, central climate vents and power outlet. Stepping into the front, you do have the convenience of a multifunctional steering wheel, central touch display screen, and the modernised edge of your S embossed badging. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including options to navigate around your virtual cockpit, displaying vital driving data, EV information, and even your audio, navigation, and protection of your speed limiter and cruise control. Moving across, you do have similar access, again with your navigation, audio, and Bluetooth connection. For a tailored driving experience, you do also have access to your Audi Drive Select, including your efficiency and comfort driving modes. And again, as this is a petrol plug-in hybrid model, it does also come with your on-screen charging information to easily keep an eye on your range and charging schedule. You do also have your driving assistance features for added safety, including your lane departure warning for reduced collisions. This is followed below by your main climate controls with your two front heated seats for the winter, alongside your handy power outlets and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.